Gondwana was a massive supercontinent that existed during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras, roughly 550 to 180 million years ago. The landmass was made up of several smaller continents, including Africa, South America, Antarctica, Australia, and the Indian subcontinent. During this time, Gondwana was located near the South Pole and was covered in ice sheets and glaciers. However, the climate was still much warmer and wetter than it is today, which created a unique environment for animals to evolve and thrive in. The evolution of animals during the Gondwana era was heavily influenced by the changing climate and geography of the continent. For example, the rise of flowering plants during the Cretaceous period provided a new food source for many herbivorous animals, which led to the evolution of new species with specialized teeth and digestive systems. Similarly, the breakup of Gondwana into smaller continents during the late Cretaceous period had a significant impact on the evolution of animals. As the landmasses drifted apart, many species became isolated from each other, which led to the development of new and unique species in each region. One of the most famous groups of animals that lived during the Gondwana era was the dinosaurs. These reptiles dominated the landscape and were found in almost every region of the continent. The herbivorous dinosaurs, such as the Stegosaurus and Triceratops, evolved specialized teeth and jaws to help them grind tough vegetation. While the carnivorous dinosaurs, such as the Tyrannosaurus and Velociraptor, evolved sharp teeth and claws to help them hunt and kill their prey. However, dinosaurs weren't the only animals that lived during the Gondwana era. Mammals also existed, although they were much smaller and less dominant than their reptilian counterparts. There were marsupials, like the kangaroo and opossum, and monotremes, like the platypus and echidna. Additionally, birds had also evolved from their dinosaur ancestors and were starting to take flight across the skies of Gondwana. As the continents continued to drift apart, the once unified ecosystems of Gondwana began to separate and evolve into new and unique ecosystems. Some animals managed to adapt and survive in these new environments, while others went extinct. Today, the legacy of Gondwana's unique animal life can still be seen in many regions around the world. For example, many of the marsupials that once lived on Gondwana, such as the kangaroo and wallaby, can still be found in Australia. Similarly, many of the birds that evolved from Gondwana's dinosaur ancestors, such as the ostrich and emu, can still be found in Africa. In conclusion, Gondwana was a massive supercontinent that had a significant impact on the evolution of animals during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras. The changing climate and geography of the continent led to the evolution of new and unique species, including the famous dinosaurs. Although the continent no longer exists, the legacy of Gondwana's unique animal life can still be seen in many regions of the world today.